di ba? Nami sa kusina. Karon, mo ato na salta dito sa ubos. Dito, napita. Let's go.
Maybe the washers.
I don't know what is there.
Maybe the washer.
Uban ka. Uban ka, guys. Tara. Naog ta diri napita. Hala, hala, hala. Hala.
Oh, washer is down.
Hadlok na eh. What is there?
Dryer than washer.
Hadlok na. It's so scary. Guys, hadlok mo dito. Basig may mumo. Oh, here. If you want barbecue. Diring napita, guys. Pwede ka mag-barbecue. Dire ka maglingkod-lingkod pala. Oh, nice pala dire. Oh, they are sharing with another. Yeah. It's like... What is there, Gia?
It's a washer.
Are you sure?
Yeah, in the basement.
You like... Wait, let us check what is inside. Maybe there's momo here. We had look man diri, Gia.
Look at the lights.
Where is the light?
Must be.
Huh? Where's the light?